Hey everybody, welcome to our Greene Acres. I'm Teresa. We just wanted to come on and give y'all a little bit of update on our channel. We have been on YouTube now for 1 year. That was the middle of June. So we have hit a big goal of ours, and that was to hit 10,000 subscribers. So first of all, we just want to send out a very heartwarming thank you to everyone that has subscribed to our channel so far. And if you're new to our channel and this is the first time you're coming on, we'd love for you to subscribe. And just to give you an overall view of what our channel is all about is we just do a lot of different things here on our channel. When we first made it, we wanted it to be for you know, the whole family, something for everybody. We have an outdoorsy side, and outdoors it's random things. It's whatever needs to be done and what season we're in. Like today, it's, you know, we're canning because it's summertime and we're gardening a lot. You know, in the fall, in the wintertime, Ben is out, he's getting our wood storage built up, and he's doing a lot of, you know, wood splitting type videos. And you know, he's got the tractor, so we do a lot of tractor footage. We've got a Polaris Ranger, so you'll see a lot of that in the outdoor side. As far as the home decor, the DIY projects and the crafts that I do, that's ongoing throughout the year, and I try to put up at least 2 videos a week. So you know, that's just a little bit of what our channel is and what we're all about. Okay, so we've got 9 pints of squash relish plus this right here that we're gonna give a couple away to a couple of our friends, and then this we'll just put in the refrigerator and start eating on this. Next, we're about to start on the corn. So Ben has processed it, and we're gonna get ready to blanch it. And once we blanch it, we're just gonna cut this off the ear, and then we're gonna put this in freezer bags and freeze it because we've already canned some. So today we're just gonna freeze what we've got left. We got, let's see, we did 12 pints. Can you hear the pangs? They're panging.
There's 9 pints.
Oh, okay. But